SL-3 is a fence-mounted sensor cable providing complete perimeter protection, ideal for government applications. The SL-3 is a multi-directional shaker sensor cable with high detection capability and low false alarm rate. Its robust structure ensures reliable, long-lasting lifespan to allow the end user years of protection with almost no maintenance. 32 levels of sensitivity with weather station. Maintenance-free. Sensors are ultrasonic welded. Self-adjusting capability, no calibration needed. Can be installed on any type of fence in any angle. 10-year warranty on the sensor cable, over 20 years lifespan. The Ironclad is a simple, reliable, and affordable fence alarm system, ideal for commercial and industrial applications. The Ironclad is an armored sensor cable fully wrapped by steel braid, ideal for installation on any kind of fence and concertina coil. Plug and deploy, ready for installation. Affordable kits. No training or special tools needed. No software. No calibration. Maintenance-free. Dry contact relay outputs. 22 levels of sensitivity per zone, easily adjusted with dip switches. The Marinet is an underwater security system barrier ideal for securing water environments. The Marinet is a barrier constructed from a single sensor cable in the form of a net, connected with special clips to lock the cable intersections and preventing any attempt to disassemble, cut the clips, or the net without being detected. The Marinet is designed to meet typical marine conditions, which includes high wind, water streams, debris, marine life, and range of temperature. Physical barrier with 100% detection ability. Can be constructed from fiber optic or copper. Passive sensor. Detects only cuts or climbing. Adjusts to structure shapes or stands independently. Can be above or under water. Can be installed in all types of water. The MBS is an underground concealed passive intrusion detection sensor. The MBS can be buried in the ground or on top of a wall to detect intruders. It will detect only moving above or under the system while ignoring wildlife or weather conditions. The likely intruder will carry weapons, tools, or even keys, and pocket knife are enough to be detected. Immune to weather, running, standing water, and wildlife false alarms. Detects only moving metal objects over the system. Fully passive. Can't be detected with any receiver compared to leaky cable, E-field, electromagnetic technology. Can operate under any type of surface.